Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my last piece. I actually ordered the Keepall. I kind of collect Keepalls here and there, like if it really catches my eye. But I love Keepall 45s. I think it's like the absolute perfect size. So I'm not going to do the whole shebang where I'm like unboxing the boxes. You guys know what the box and dust bag looks like already. So I'm just going to get straight into it. This is the Louis Vuitton Keepall 45 in the Game On collection. So there's something different about this Keepall specifically, which I'll get into detail later. There's a few like really specific details that I think is really interesting. But let me do a 360 for you. So on this side there's the heart and the flower. And on this side is the LV monogram. And it's like a blue, red and white. And it just wraps around to the bottom of the bag, if you can tell or not. And on this side it's the heart. Looks like a playing card. And this side, which is my favorite, it's the playing card. It looks similar to the card holder that I showed and mentioned in my last video. But heart, it's the club. But the cool thing about this bag, so the cool thing about this right here is not just a design, it's actually useful. So it's an actual slot right here, as you can tell. Sorry, it's like a weird way to hold it back. So it's an actual slot. I don't know if my iPhone's gonna fit, but let's see. Oops. So I have the iPhone XS Max. If I didn't have the case, the iPhone will slip in here, no problem. Which is really cool, like if you know you're traveling, you can slip your iPhone, a wallet, or whatever it is in there, and I think it's honestly a really useful compartment. Okay, and it has gold hardware right here. This is your regular canvas, there's nothing special about it. This is leather right here. There's leather handles, and you know, with the vachetta, you just gotta be careful because it's gonna patina over time, and you don't want to get water stains on it, raindrops, hand sanitizer, especially in today's day and age. It comes with a luggage tag as well. Okay, so this gold hardware. So let me go into the bag and see what's inside. Oh, this is the handle holder. I forget exactly what it's called. Comes with the keys for the lock, of course. And it is just regular lining inside. So it's like a standard Keepall. It does have that extra slot in here. Also has a little like a D-ring, so that way you can put like a pouch in there. It is made in France. So the really interesting thing about this Keepall right here is that normal Keepalls have the rings on each end of the bag, right? So that way you can put the shoulder strap on each end and, you know, wear like a bag. But with this bag specifically, and I'm trying to figure out exactly why they did this, or when I start using the bag, I'm gonna see if it actually makes a difference. Because honestly with Keepalls, when they have the shoulder straps, you know, the regular way, if it's really heavy, it actually hurts. So this is the new way. So here's the strap. Even the strap itself looks a little different. So as you can tell, right here, you see the difference between, there's a specific hook here versus this side of the handle. These are different. So these are both square, but this, you see how it has this extra hook? Right there, regular extra hook. So that's where the shoulder, the strap goes. Keepall looks like this. You see this? It is so weird. I personally don't like it right here because if you fill up the bag and you're wearing it, I feel like it's too much tension on the handles, and I feel like if you're really stuffing this bag and it's really heavy and you're wearing it with the shoulder strap, it's honestly, you're gonna eventually have to repair the handles because I feel like it's gonna rip. That's why I like the shoulder straps on each end, because I feel like the weight's a little more dispersed. So this is interesting move on their part. I mean, there has to be a specific reason for this, right? Or else they wouldn't make it. It might honestly be better for people carrying it. It looks a little bit better when they carry it, because now it feels like, now it kind of feels like a purse when you carry it this way. But hey, it's all preference, right? And you don't get that look anymore. You know, usually when you have the shoulder straps from side to side, it like droops over, and I kind of like that look because it looks like a duffel, you know, like on the go. You know, I love this bag, but something about it is a little bit off. I can't pinpoint what it is, but I do really like the design of this bag.